So depending on whatever you feel comfortable with, you could go back to the middle, go out, or you could go from the out to the middle. I typically, when I do it on the clients, I like to go from out to the middle. So I'm just gonna put my head up. Now I go back over with the trimmer. So now that you got that bottom line, if you have a bigger beard, looking up straight, but when you look down, you might, see a little choppiness. That's because these hairs are hanging over. I've explained this in other videos too, so check those videos out. But now you're just gonna clean up those hairs that are hanging over. There you go. So now you can see the difference. You can see how much I cut out. How now this is outlined my jaw. I have more structure to my beard now. So this is how this side looked. That's this side looked. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and round this out a little bit, how I've talked about in my other videos. A good reference is get another mirror and do that. But if that's kind of hard, nice just to kind of look like this and then just go straight down with your hand. Keep a nice straight line. Also, another way to double check is pull out your phone, take a picture of a side profile, boom, and then look at the picture, see if it looks good and see what adjustments you want to make. All right, now we got this side. We're gonna match to this side, do the same steps. So put a finger So that was the first pass. Now I gotta just take over that hangover, but always that first pass is like the rough drafts just to get the structure. And after that, go ahead and do your detail work and fix up whatever is hanging over. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. Now let's do the back. All right, YouTube, so that's how it looks after. You can tell it looks a lot more symmetrical now. It's pretty symmetrical, I might be off a little bit, I'm kind of far from the mirror, but overall, if you're just looking at me, I'm walking to you like this, head down, neutral, just having a conversation, you're like, wow, it looks pretty good. Had the barber do it for him. So that's the goal. Those are some, little tips. I hope that helps out. I'm gonna be doing a lot more beard videos because I've been getting a lot of good feedback. So I'm gonna do more of them. I saw another person want to know how to trim down the sideburns. So I'm gonna let my sideburns grow out a little bit. So it might be a little bit while until I have that video, but that is gonna be one of my next videos I want to do. Just a simple way of just knocking them down, making them presentable, when they're like bushy. So that'll be a whole separate video, but make sure to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting. If I upload this video in time, there should be a 50K giveaway for a PS5. So make sure to check out that video. I'll have that link if it's still available. I'll link it up in here. But make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below what you guys want to see or what you guys struggle with your beards that you would like me to go over or help out. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, right? I'm out.